Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. Another big weather update today as the active weather will be continuing for the next week or so. Today we'll get the sun back. It will be slightly warmer, but also staying breezy. So the wind not going anywhere here through the weekend. So we'll expect to see some wind gusts today, about 20 to 30 miles per hour. But it will be a south wind, so that's why the temperatures will feel a little nicer for us today. And still watching for the potential cold front coming in Thursday night, so that will likely trigger a narrow band of thunderstorms, and some of those thunderstorms could be severe Thursday night, early Friday, and then all eyes on the front coming in late Sunday into Monday. Coldest air of the season is on the way next Monday and Tuesday, and there will be some precipitation as well, so we're still thinking we could see maybe some winter weather Sunday night into Monday. That would include some freezing rain and possibly some accumulating snow as well. So a lot to cover in the forecast today. Again, high pressure building in for the next day or so, so that will keep us mostly sunny as well as dry today, and that's the reason the wind will turn to the south and will be slightly warmer this afternoon. Very cold this morning. Will likely drop into the low 20s north of I-30, Shreveport as well as Texarkana likely in the 20s at sunrise as well. And you can see the wind has switched around to the south. It's a very light wind this morning, so take advantage of that. But once we get to about 9-10 o'clock this morning, we'll begin to feel those breezy conditions return. But despite the breeze today, the sun will help out. Upper 50s, low 60s for highs, so that will be about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. Then again, late tonight, we'll expect to see temperatures in the 30s and 40s. We do have a warm front that's coming in tomorrow, so again, our next storm system making its way down from the Pacific Northwest here, so that low will be moving over towards the Arctic late tomorrow, and that's what's going to nudge that strong cold front through. And you can see the overall severe weather setup has not changed from yesterday's outlook. We're still all in that level 2 slight risk outlook, so that means scattered severe storms will be possible for us. Wind and hail will be the main threats, but can't rule out a few tornadoes as well, and unfortunately it still remains a overnight threat for us, so make sure you have multiple ways to receive weather warnings, be that a NOAA weather radio if you set the government alerts on your phone, just something that will jar you awake late at night in case we do see some severe thunderstorm or even some tornado warnings on Thursday night. So taking a look at your Robinson Futurecast, nothing but sun today, and clouds will roll back in tomorrow, and that will be that warm front kind of moving back in, increasing our temperatures as well as our humidity. And late Thursday, so it's looking like maybe after sunset we'll begin to see a few storms pop up here, but this is the cold front, so that will be the main line of potential severe storms here coming through again late Thursday, early Friday morning. And then notice behind the front here we could see the temperatures drop off enough. If some of that rain is still there, we're still expecting maybe a brief changeover into maybe a sleet snow mix here across McCurtain and maybe a few of our counties in Arkansas, but again, no accumulations or any kind of travel impacts expected there. Friday, very windy. We'll have another day where those wind gusts are over 40 miles per hour or so, and then all eyes on Sunday and Monday. We know this front coming in will drop highs into the 30s, likely Monday as well as Tuesday, and you can see the rain coming in late Sunday. The timing will be kind of critical here. This is the GFS or American model, which actually pushes the rain through fairly quickly, and thus we wouldn't see as many accumulations, but the European model, which we are also taking a look at this morning, shows a much slower progression of the precipitation, so it will get here when the temperatures are below freezing. So I still think Sunday night, Monday morning, we have a window here to maybe see some freezing rain as well as some accumulating snow, but of course in the south, very difficult to get these forecasts correct this far out, so we'll again maybe show some accumulations later this week. But again, for the time being here, just everybody just needs to know that we'll have the coldest air of the season early next week, so make your preparations now. Maybe stock up on some extra food, some extra water over the weekend. We'll have the kind of cold here that can burst some pipes, so make sure your pipes are covered up as we get through the weekend, as well as those temperatures may fall into the teens and maybe single digits Monday night into Tuesday morning. And again, if there's any kind of freezing rain or snow, we could definitely see some ice on the roads through Monday and maybe into Tuesday as well, so we could definitely see some winter impacts early next week. Again, first things first, getting through that severe weather Thursday night, and then we'll fully turn our attention to the possibility of that winter weather early next week.